Hi, my name is Kamikaziklown. I'm a YouTube content creator and a Twitch streamer, but today I'm going to teach you how to make a tournament bracket on challenge.com, whether it be for you and your friends and family, or if you run a gaming community. Okay, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to come over here to your browser and you're going to type in challenge.com. This big beautiful orange box right here that says create a tournament, you're going to click on that, come down here to tournament, and you are going to click on that. In this case, I already have a host name, which is my challenge.com account. For your tournament name, I'm going to input SMG Showdown. Oops, let me just fix that real quick. Okay, for a description, we're going to put in SMG Warzone Showdown. Spoiler alert. Okay, now you come down here to game info and you've got a game. In this instance, we're going to put in Call of Duty. Now, as you see, there is no Call of Duty Modern Warfare, so we're just going to select Call of Duty. This will be a single stage tournament with a single elimination, but you do have single elimination, double elimination, round robin, Swiss, and free-for-all. We're going to provide a list of participants. Normally you'd probably have a host sign up page, and that's where your participants come in and sign up. You have the option of doing either a free or a paid tournament. You can require participants to register as a team so everyone signs up at the same time, or you can specify a maximum number of participants. I believe this goes up to 128, but you could do 64, you could do 32, you could even do 16. In this case, we're going to go with 8 because that's all the SMGs there are in Warzone. For a start date and time, we're going to select, well, let's go with Thursday the 25th at 5 p.m. That sounds like a nice round time. You can require participants to check in, but this is all guns in Warzone, so no need for participants to check in. You can enable voting for open matches. Voters must register for challenge. You can also enable bracket predictions. Now you can come here to advanced options. There's permissions, there's notifications, and we're going to come through here and we're going to click quick advance so that you only have to put in who won the match and everything. You don't have to put in scores and figure it out there. Trying to make this as easy as possible. We're almost done. Yay! Now we're going to get started by adding participants. Now this is pretty simple. We're going to start off with a fan favorite, MP5. Click add. Next is the MP7. And mind you, we're just going down the list of how they're listed in the COD Wikipedia. Next up is the AUG, and we have the P90 and the PP19 Bison. I actually like this gun. I love picking it up on the ground because it gives you 64 rounds, which you can get 2 kills off of it in Warzone, to be completely honest. And then we have the Uzi, followed by the Striker 45, and last but not least, the Fennec. Now, feel free to comment on how you feel about the Fennec. I'm not convinced that it's a good gun. I mean, it's not bad, but it's really situational in Warzone. Multiplayer, it's not bad. Now, next you can move the seeds up or down all you want. You can edit them, you can remove them. You can also click shuffle seeds, which we're gonna do. You get a little prompt, click OK, shuffles the seeds. I like that. Uzi and the MP7 aren't 1 and 2, so it'll give it a little bit of variety. Okay, next up, you can come up here and you can click share, and you can share it to Facebook or Twitter. It would be nice if they integrated it so you can share it to your Discord community or even on Twitch. But you also have a bracket, which it started it, so the Fennec will be up against the Striker 45. I think that's a pretty fair. MP7 and the Uzi, the P90 and the PP19, and the MP5 versus the AUG. You can come see the standings. A little discussion for everyone to pop in and say something about it. Log telling you when it was created. Stations, that's new. Participants. This shows you the participant list once again, where you can edit it. Settings. If you want to change things, you can. You can come in here and you can edit the description. You can edit the title. Wow. Pretty much you can come through and do everything you want. And that's it for this. Hopefully you found this video informative and helpful. In the description below you'll find a link to challenge.com so you can create your very own bracket for a tournament. You'll also find a link to my Twitch and socials. Please take the time, if you enjoyed this video, to give me that thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for future content. Have a nice day.